This is how we do it. Oh yes, we are doing it right now. This is going to be an updated take on the elevator at Forever 21 at the Woodlands Mall in Woodlands, Texas. I'm sorry I have to mute until I push the button until we get in the elevator car. All right, let's go to 2 and close the door quick. This is how we do it. All right, let's go back down to 1 and close the door quick. Anyways, this elevator was modern. Are you coming down? You're welcome. You're welcome, sir. Okay, so I want to get a full silent listen to that epic motor starting up. This thing's got an obnoxiously epic sounding motor. Sorry I had to cut the video because there were lots of people getting on and I did not want it to be seen obvious recording the elevator. Anyways, I'm gonna let you listen to the motor. So here we go. In 3, 2, 1. That is one epic sounding motor, and I have to talk and talk and talk and talk and talk and talk over that loud music. So I'm sorry I'm sorry if I have to talk loud, but I have no other choice. I don't want to be talking loud in a store like this because I will be embarrassing to the customers. But anyways, this is your basic elevator cabin. This thing is busy, so I'm gonna have to make this quick. This was definitely modernized. This was originally Montgomery, installed in 1993. And this was definitely modernized, probably in 2010 because the escalators are Kone and they were installed in 2010 when Forever 21 moved in. So I obviously assume this got to be another store before Forever 21 took over. Anyways, before I go back down, look at the door track right here. See that door track right there? That looks almost exactly like a Schindler elevator door track. It's a really fast hydraulic elevator. But anyways, oh, the music is off. Anyways, that'll be it.